Good morning, friends. I welcome all today lecture uh, about tenses. This is the series of third lecture on tenses because it is a very big topic on in grammar. That's why we we are discussing individually topics. Today we are going to discuss about past tense. What is simple past tense? The simple past tense is used for an action which happened at a particular time in the past. The simple past tense is used to express the completed actions in the past. For example, you see, I went to Hyderabad yesterday. This action has completed in the past yesterday. That's why we used simple past tense. You see structure, subject plus verb form, second form plus object. I is a subject, went is a verb, second form of the verb. To Hyderabad yesterday, it is a object. That's why we used it in the simple past tense as I went to Hyderabad yesterday. They painted our house 2 days ago. This action also completed in the past. That's why we used the simple past tense to express this sentence. They painted our house 2 days ago. This tense is used to express the actions which took place in the past. Already I told you, but we have to use the time element of the past is compulsory to write the simple past tense. Okay, right. Examples: Columbus discovered America. My sister came yesterday. Did is used as auxiliary verb in negative and also interrogative sentences. Do is a first form, did is a second form of the do. In the negative sense, if you write a sentence in the simple past tense, whether you use I, we, you, he, she, it, they, these are the subjects, plus auxiliary verb did, and not plus verb 1. You remember that you don't use the second form, the form of the verb in the negative simple past tense sentence, plus object. Example: I did not attend the class yesterday. Ram did not act in that film. These are the negative sentences in the simple past tense. If we use interrogative sentences, we have to write the did first. Before subject, we have to use the did to write interrogative sentence. For example, the structure of the interrogative sentence in the simple past tense: did plus I, we, you, he, she, it, they plus verb 1, first form of the verb plus object. For example, did you watch Avatar movie? Interrogation mark at the end. Did the government announce the results? These are the examples of interrogative of simple past tense. And also did is also used for emphasis and an elliptical replies. For example, he did offer a flat but it was not accepted. Like ask him to call his sister again. That he did called. Such use of do is also called proverb use. And also in the case of have form, we used subjects I, we, you, he, she, it, they plus had. For example, they had a financial problem then. She had a good job last year. You see, in the negative sense, subjects plus did not plus have plus object. We did not have a computer in 2010. She did not have any movie tickets an hour ago. This type of negative sentences we used. And also did plus subjects I, we, you, he, she, it, they plus have plus object. Did you have a car last year? Did she have an umbrella? This type of sentences we used interrogative sense of simple past tense. In the case of be forms, was, were, was used for I, he, she, it. Were is used for we, you, they. Examples. I was in Hyderabad yesterday. Sherlock Holmes was a detective. We were in 7th class last year. You see the task. Fill in the blanks with the simple past forms of the verbs given in the brackets. You change the bracket words into second form of the verb, then you can write the simple past tense sentence. For example, Hammer dash for Delhi yesterday. If you change the leave as a second form of the verb, for example, like Hammer left for Delhi yesterday. I dash the letter an hour ago. You change the receive as a second form, then I received the letter an hour ago. Like here, they dash in Kolkata last year. Here you have to use be form. For example, they were in Kolkata last year. Next, she dash a few minutes ago. You have to change the arrive into second form of the verb. She arrived a few minutes ago. The little boy dashed by a mad dog last week. You have to change the sentence into simple past tense. The little boy was chased by a mad dog last week. Keywords: ago, yesterday, last year, last month, last week, last Sunday, Then at the time, these are the keywords you can recognize the simple past tense easily in the examination point of view. And then we move to combinations. Why combinations? When two actions took place in the past, we use two combinations. One is simple past plus past continuous, and the other is simple past and past perfect. The past continuous and the past perfect tense are not used in isolation. So one is simple past and past continuous, one combination. The other is simple past plus past perfect. These are the two combinations when we use past tense. Simple past plus past continuous combination. When two actions took place at the same time in the past, the longer action should be in the past continuous and the shorter action should be in the simple past tense. If two actions occurred in the past, the longer action should be in the past continuous, the shorter action should be in the past simple. For example, while he was crossing the road, he met with an accident. In this sentence, what is the longer action? He was crossing. What is shorter action? He met with an accident. That's why while he was crossing the road, he met with an accident. This is the combination of the simple past continuous tense. You see the image. And another examples, my parents fell asleep when they were watching TV. As Sunita was cleaning the floor, she saw a snake. Keywords to identify these sentences, these combinations. For example, the conjunctions used in the above sentences, while, as, when, are the keywords in the identification of the tense. This is the past continuous. Then we move to past perfect. This is also combination. When two actions took place in the past, the action which took place earlier should be in the past perfect and the latter action should be in the simple past tense. If two actions occurred in the past, the earlier action should be in the past perfect tense, the latter action should be in the past simple sentence. Example, when I went home, my mother had already gone out. What is the earlier action and latter action? My mother had already gone out is a earlier action. That's why we used the past perfect tense. The latter action was I went home. That's why we used simple past tense. When I went home, my mother had already gone out. This is the image for this sentence combination. When I went home, my mother had already gone out. And another examples, I had finished my dinner before I went to bed. In this sentence also there are two actions completed in the past. The earlier was I had finished my dinner. The latter was I went to bed. I had finished my dinner before I went to bed. I had finished my dinner is a past perfect tense. Before I went to bed is a simple past tense. We reached the station after the bus had left. Here There are two actions in the past. The earlier was the bus had left. That's why we used past perfect tense. The latter was we reached the station. That's why we used simple past tense. We reached the station after the bus had left. Here is a keyword, so you can recognize the combination. The conjunctions used in the above sentences: when, before, after, are the keywords in the identification of the tense in the examination point of view. Okay, you see the examples here. Fill in the blanks with simple past and past continuous, simple past and past perfect forms of the verbs given in the brackets. We see some examples. For example, you see, someone knocked the door while she was cooking. There are two combinations. Already I told you, simple past tense and plus past continuous. The second combination is simple past and past perfect tense. Okay. Someone knocked the door while he was cooking. My mother had locked my room before I went there. Sonu went to bed after he had completed his homework. As I was reading a novel, the power went off. Sheila had left the party before Leela arrived. When Sita reached the home, her children were watching TV. We did not go out as it was raining. The train had left the platform before I reached there. When I saw him, he was playing chess. By the time I went to college, the students had left. These are the two combinations of the tenses. Tenses are used in these sentences. You can see the examples. Then we move to past perfect continuous tense. You see the structure: had, before had, subject, had plus been plus verb fourth plus time element. Mother Teresa had been serving the poor for 2 years when I went there. Verb 4 means here ing verb. Ravi had been working in the USA for 10 years when I got job there. The past perfect continuous tense is used to express the actions which started in the past and were going on for a period of time at a particular time in the past. That's why we used these sentences. Mother Teresa had been serving the poor for 2 years when I went there. This completed total action in the past. So the action started in the past and it going on period of a particular time in the past. Okay, you see the examples here. At the time of my arrival, he had been working in the office for 10 years. Sunil had been living there for 10 days before the earthquake occurred. In the morning, I found that it had been raining the whole night. I knew that she had been driving the car for many years. The company had been trying to sell out its shares when the court intervened. This is the examples of the sentences for the past perfect continuous tense. There are keywords for plus past time element to recognize the sentences in the exam point of view. I hope this is the complete discussion on past tense. With these words, I wind up here this lecture. Um, I hope you understand the past tense. Then we will discuss another topic, that is future tense, in the coming lecture. I look forward all you to participate in another lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.